Got a new swimmer top. I really like this. It's light, it's a little bit risque, and heaps comfortable. Good morning, sugar sluts, banana bitches, fruit bats, banana army. So many options to call you guys. And it's pretty ironic, it's pretty crazy that the top comment was actually sugar sluts. Let me know in the comments below what you think of sugar sluts. I think it's kind of cool, but I know a lot of you are probably going to have a problem with it. But over 2,000 likes, guys. Anyway, so this spot here, this is where the flat screen is going to go. This is where Netflix is going to be installed. Going to be watching documentaries very soon. Let me know in the comments below what is your favorite Netflix documentary. I need suggestions. So this is one of my favorite drinks of all time. I love it a lot. And I'm just getting through it now. These are some old bananas and Mum got me some ripe ones, which are nice inside once you get the skin off, but they look a bit manky. But juice first. The bottom isn't a swimmer bottom, it's just underwear. Yes. Add a bit of chocolate milk. Ooh. Let's blend this up. Okay, so here's a new blender. We've got all these buttons, as you can see, on. Let's turn it on. And I think I'm just gonna do like this. So, mill, blend, chop. Whoa. Like a hardcore. Ooh, wow. Got some sort of little program, smoothie program. That's cool. Wow, this is awesome. That was a really good setup. The smoothie button made it stop a few times and get it off the bottom, get the dates off the bottom, and then blend it really high again, which is a really good system. I've never actually seen that before. So let's pour it in and try not to spill it. It's pretty smooth. It's really smooth. And this book came with it, Blending with the Boss. Looks a little fancy. We've got some recipes in here. I'm sure they're full of animal products, but we can make them vegan, of course. Maple pecan, Brazil nut butter, blood orange. Free the nipples. Woohoo, we have Netflix. TV is installed. So I'm fully stocked for bananas. I just want these to ripen up as soon as possible, but it's a little bit cool here. It's beautiful, like it's warm, but it's a little bit cool, so they're gonna ripen a little bit slower. But I'm excited.
Let's have a look at something.
Ooh, dinner is getting served. Look at this. Quinoa and potato.
I just don't sleep on it.
What do you call it, Mum? I don't know. It's curry, maybe? Anyway. Quinoa, potato, curry.
Anyway, it's always, we were.
Yes. Can't wait to get into it. Oh, have a taste. And look at this, like, amazing lettuce. This is my favourite lettuce in the world. Butter lettuce. Very, very good. So I'm coming up to being 36 years old and also a decade as a vegan, high-carb vegan. And, you know, I feel like I'm in better shape than ever, health-wise, fitness-wise, just happiness-wise. Everything is just amazing. And this lifestyle, it just gets better and better. It really does. And I can attest to that after being on it for nearly 10 years. I should know. Just discovered this dual camera system on my Samsung. This is really cool. Let me know in the comments below if you want to learn more about the Samsung. I think I'm swapping from iPhone. So cool.